Hey guys, Dan Lauer here with MarineMax Nisswa. We're here to showcase this 2014 Premier. This is a 235 Solaris, 23 feet in length right off the bat. Something I really like about this one is the extension on the front there, giving you a lot of room for walking and jumping off the boat. This is a 2-tube powered by a 90 horsepower Yamaha. Gas tank on the side there. Coming aboard, bench layout in the front. L-shaped couch, very accommodating for your crew. Pop-up changing room and a sun pad layout area for when the boat stopped. Nice big captain's chair. Control center with a windshield. Cup holder locations, and last but not least, we have a garbage can door that you can access either from the side or lift up the seat to get in